This is the life, guys. We are at the Royal Senchi Resort, and apparently it's the best resort in Ghana. And I must say, I'm starting to agree with that statement. Views, views, and views. The Royal Senchi is just beautiful. Today we are with the Guba Tours and we are going to tour the caves. Yes, I'm actually really excited. Sorry, we're in the middle of Accra, right opposite Accra Mall, with 4 big coaches waiting to set off as we tour Ghana and get back in touch with our heritage and some of the history pertaining to Ghana. So it's going to be an educational, exciting, entertaining day. Okay, so I'll be taking you along with me. Catch up on the previous posts right here on this channel, where we went to Akwemu Palace. We even visited Shai Hills Nature Reserve and had a boat cruise on the largest man-made lake found right here in Ghana. However, today we're going to focus on Royal Senchi visits. So let's go, family. We are at the Royal Senchi. Oh my goodness, this is a very grand hotel, and today we're just going to explore what the Royal Senchi has to offer. So stay with me as we tap into this little bit of gem in Ghana.
Thanks, made it. Thanks, made it. Thanks, made it. Snack time, guys. A bit of coconut, chicken. What could go wrong?
Yes.
We are.
Where?
Leytonstone, East London. East London.
Alright. I'm from Leeds.
Oh, Leeds.
Really?
Yeah.
And you're in Ghana?
I'm always in Ghana.
Really?
Yeah.
How often do you come?
Well, put it this way, I've been to Ghana like 100 times in the last 3 years.
100 times. Wow.
I can't speak Ghanaian yet.
Tree.
Legit. You're having the best time of your life, innit? Innit?
This is the life, guys. We are at the Royal Senchi Resort, and apparently it's the best resort in Ghana. And I must say, I'm starting to agree with that statement. Views, and views. Hi, Helen, where are you from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey?
Yeah, you?
I'm from London.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. I like London. It's fun.
How long are you in Ghana for?
I'm unfortunately leaving on Wednesday.
Oh wow, how long have you been here?
I've been here since the 13th.
Of December.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So it was pretty decent trip, but
Yeah.
it always feels so short when I'm leaving. Like, it's so depressing every time I have to go. Yeah. Wow.
Guys, can you see the size of this? I want to know what animal this is. Bruh, shall I try out one, babe? Huh? What? It's a piggy. And just like that, we had to leave Royal Senchi, knowing we'll be back very soon. Guys, the Royal Senchi is just beautiful. Obviously, you know, before I left, I had to take a quick picture for the gram. I hope you enjoyed Royal Senchi just as much as I did, and make sure you comment below, let me know what you think. And if you are new, subscribe to the channel and I'll keep bringing you the Ghana content. Make sure you like the post before you go. Until next time, kiss from the dimple, kiss from the dimple. Equia Dimples, I am signing out. Love you guys.